students, today we are going to see the tubectomy instruments on trolley. See, we are seeing one by one the name of the instruments. See, this is curved artery, straight artery, needle holder, Alice forceps, Babcock, sponge holding forceps, non-toothed forceps, toothed forceps, surgical blade with BP handle. Surgical blade number is 22. 10 cc syringe with 2% xylocaine with adrenaline. 0 catgut. 1 proline. Scissor. 2 cups. Wipers, mops, gowns and abdominal sheets, gloves. So now this is set for 2 tubectomy cases. So have you seen all of you these articles? Thank you for watching this video. If you like, share, subscribe and comment.